Hi. How's it going?
Hi there. Pretty good. You?
I'm doing okay.
I guess you have a lot of work to do. Haven't you?
I have a lot on my plate. So I enjoy my pastime occasionally.
No way.
But, no matter how busy I am, I never give up on jogging and, in general, everything that makes me feel happy.
Are they fun?
Some of them, but not most of them.
Would you prefer indoor activities or outdoor activities?
I'd love to do outdoor activities and stuff like that.
So do I. They can pep me up. So what activities do you do in your free time?
I love cycling. I go cycling any time of the year.
I'm mad at cycling too. That's awesome. It has many health benefits and is an easy way of commuting. Any other activities?
Fishing and archery. I go fishing and do archery in my spare time.
Archery?
Yeah, I find archery an excellent leisure activity for improving self-confidence and patience.
OMG. I didn't know that. To be honest, I suffer from a lack of self-confidence. I also can be more impatient from time to time.
So, it can be an effective solution.
Thanks for your great idea.
Are you up for doing archery? I'm doing archery on Sunday. And I'd love it if you could come.
Sounds great.